Nakapagpanotaryo ka na ba? Dati?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Example, affidavit of loss, certifications for government. Hindi ka nautusan kahit kailan, buong buhay mo as the Secretary of alias Alice, hindi ka nakapagnotaryo?
Hindi po. Hindi niya po ako inuutusan before po.
So ngayon ka lang
Yes
inutusan
po.
niya?
Yan po yung first time po na kino-ordinate po niya sa akin.
Yun lang,
regarding po
yun
sa
lang
notaryo.
minsan kahit na sumusunod ka lang, alam mo na hindi, yun ang ang pinirmahan niya nandun sa loob ng brown envelope, kinuha mo, tapos inattach mo dun sa bago. Parang hindi yata tama yun, di ba? Hindi mo ba naisip yun?
Your Honor, pasensya na po. Sumunod lang po ako sa instruction po ni ma'am.
Sige, thank you, Madam Chair.
Madam Chair.
Salamat, Senator Joel. Yes, SP Pro Tempore.
Gaano ka nakatagal nagtatrabaho kay Alice?
Since 2017 po.
Simula nung... hindi ba siya mayor?
Opo, yes po, Your Honor.
Ano trabaho niya?
Secretary,
ano trabaho mo sa kanya?
Secretary po sa farm.
Farm? Anong
Yes po.
farm?
Hindi po sa personal po. Sa farm po. Sa piggery po niya.
Piggery?
Yes po.
Okay. Mabalik lang. Attorney Ko?
Senator
Yes,
Jinggoy,
Your
can I just ask lang yung
Senator Joel.
Yung ano lang, yung sabi mo, secretary ka dun sa farm.
Yes po.
Just one farm?
Yes po.
O lahat ng mga negosyo niya?
QJJ Farm po.
Yun lang?
Yes po, Your
Yun lang
Honor.
ang iyong, hindi ka rin naging empleyado ng LGU, ng Bamban, Municipality of Bamban?
Meron po akong isang PDS po sa munisipyo po ng Bamban.
So LGU,
Ano yung
ka
PDS?
rin?
Isang PDS po. Binigyan po ako ng isang PDS po.
Personal
Job,
data sheet?
yes, job order po.
O job order ka.
Yes
So
po,
naging
Your
empleyado ka rin?
Kaya
Ikaw din, G, empleyado ka rin ng Bamban? Ng munisipyo ng Bamban?
Yes po, Your Honor. Nung una po is secretary po ako ng farm sa QJJ Farm po. Pero nung nag-mayor na po si ma'am, ako po yung dinala niya po sa munisipyo.
Additional kaso ito, Madam Chair. Ginagamit yung empleyado ng munisipyo. Salamat, Madam Chair.
Yun na
Thank
nga,
you,
Senator
Kat.
Joel.
Madam
Salamat. And yes, Senator Sherwin.
Sorry, Madam Chair, for interjecting again. I know it's your time. Just to pursue this topic, Madam Chair, kasi maraming inconsistency. I heard from Guo Huaping na pinermahan mo itong affidavit before you left. And I'll show the slide. Ito ba yung pinermahan mo bago ka umalis? Ito ba yung pinermahan mo? Ito ba yung pinermahan mo, Miss Guo?
Go Hopping.
Ito ba yung nakita mong nasa brown envelope?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Ito yung nakita mo sa brown envelope?
Yes po.
So ito yung sinabi ni Guo Huaping na pinermahan niya bago siya umalis. Tama? Miss Guo?
Sen, ako po yung pumirma. Yung date po, hindi ko po alam po yung sa date.
But, Madam Chair, ang conclusion ko, personal conclusion ko dito, first, nagsinungaling si Attorney Galicia. No? Dahil hindi ito pinirmahan sa harap ni Attorney Galicia. Definitely, nagsinungaling siya at dapat siyang kasuhan rin ng DOJ. Number two, itong ganitong document, abogado nagpre-prepare nito eh. At prepare ito first week of July, yung alleged escape ni Guo Huaping. So ang ibig sabihin, yung mga abogado niya, alam rin na aalis siya. Kasi pinirmahan niya in advance eh. Final yung counter affidavit August 14, pero pinirmahan niya first week of July, the last page. Diba? Typically, typical sa atin yan, pag ginawa yung counter affidavit, babasahin mo muna bago mo pepirmahan. Diba? Nagko-correct pa nga tayo along the way kung tama yung ginagawa. Pero obviously dito, alam na nila na aalis siya, kaya kung tama yung kwento ni Guo Huaping, pinirmahan niya ahead of time ito. No? At alam ng abogado niya, o may at least meron silang idea, kasi bakit naman yung pepirmahan ahead of time? To almost 1.5 ahead of time. Diba?
Tanungin natin si Attorney
Maybe we can
Ko.
ask
Attorney,
Attorney Ko.
alam nyo ba na paalis na yung kliyente nyo, si Alice Dialgo o Guo Huaping, nung maaga niyang, a month and a half early nga, sabi ni Senator Sherwin, niya hinanda yung kanyang signature page sa later nyong ida-draft na counter affidavit?
Your Honor, we really have no knowledge, Your Honor. In fact, Your Honor, we were only able to finalize the counter affidavit last August 14, on the same day that we forwarded the same to her secretary, Your Honor.
At bakit nyo finoward pa kay Ms. Kath? Bakit hindi diretso kay Guo Huaping na siya naman yung kliyente nyo?
Your Honor, Ms. Kat messaged us requesting if we can forward the draft counter affidavit to her so she could print and have it signed by Mayor Guo, Your Honor.
Hindi ba mas regular na directly from the law firm or the lawyers to the client para hindi nadadaan pa sa secretary? Kayang-kaya nyo namang mag-print sa office nyo, I'm sure.
Yes, Your Honor, but that was the request of our client through her secretary.
But Madam Chair, just one,
Senator
Madam Chair.
Joel.
What is more important is that you discuss, Madam Chair, kung ano yung laman ng affidavit. Hindi ba ikaw yung lawyer? Hindi ba duty mo yun para i-discuss sa iyong kliyente yung nilalaman ng affidavit na hinihanda mo?
And
Isn't
in
it-
fact,
it's your
Senator
duty,
Joel and
Your Honor?
Attorney Ko, sobrang sakto naman ang formatting ng affidavit na to. Saktong-sakto. So, talagang signature page lang ang hinihintay na ikabit sa last page. Ganun ba talaga ang trabaho ng firm sa pag-draft ng counter affidavit para sa kliyente?
Your Honor, if I recall it correctly, we sent the complete draft of the counter affidavit, including the signature page, Your Honor.
No, hindi yun po ang nangyari.
Madam Chair.
The signature page iniwan sa brown envelope sa drawer na ikinabit lang ni Ms. Kath dun sa draft counter affidavit nyo na hindi nyo pinresent at diniscuss directly personally sa kliyente nyo. SP Pro Tempore.
Attorney, how did you prepare the counter affidavit?
Your Honor, we reviewed all the records, Your Honor.
Did you consult Alice in the preparation of your counter affidavit?
We had limited communication with the Honorable Mayor at that time, Your Honor.
Why limited, Attorney Ko?
We were just calling her, Your Honor.
How were you calling her?
Through her cell phone, Your Honor.
Pero bakit limited yung communication? Wala na siya dito sa Pilipinas.
We had no personal interaction, Your Honor.
Bakit walang personal interaction? Naghahanda po kayo ng counter affidavit sa kanya. Ibig sabihin, may active case na sa kliyente nyo. I imagine, pag may kaso na laban sa kliyente nyo, pinaka on the alert ang law firm. Bakit wala kayong direct or easy communication sa kanya noon? Where was she?
Your Honor, at that time, actually, we also manifested in the DOJ that we were having difficulty communicating with the Honorable Mayor. That's why we weren't able to finalize the counter affidavit, Your Honor.
Why were you having difficulty communicating
Your Honor,
with
we
her?
were informed, Your Honor, na meron ho siyang death threat. That's why she refused to have a personal meetings with us. So
Ayan na
we were
naman
only
ang
communicating through cell phone, Your Honor.
Death threat? Galing ba sa law firm nyo, yung isang death threat? Why couldn't she talk with you directly?
Wala hong ganun, Your Honor. We were just informed na meron ho siyang mga death threats and hindi ho niya kayang makipag-meeting personally with us, Your Honor. That's why na-delay ho yung pag-prepare and finalize nung counter affidavit, Your Honor.
Usually, ang mga law firm, napakamaparaan para lang tulungan hanggat kaya yung kliyente nila. And in fact, there was even media work that was able to be done, facilitated by the law firm, even when nasimula na namin ang investigasyon dito sa Senado. Kaya ang hirap talagang paniwalaan na you cannot even explain to us bakit kayo hirap mag-communicate sa kliyente ninyo at a time na you already needed to submit a counter affidavit in her name. At talagang I cannot imagine na ang firm tatanggapin na hindi nyo mapresenta, maipaliwanag ang counter affidavit sa kliyente nyo and papayag kayong ikakabit lang nung secretary niya yung signature page. But yes, Senator Sherwin and then SP Pro Tempore.
Ms. Guo Huaping, Sino nag-prepare nitong page na ito para permahan mo?
Sen, may kaso na pong sinampa po sa akin na invoke my right po.
Kasi imposible ikaw mag-prepare nito. Abogado lang nakaka-prepare nito eh. Sinong abogado nag-prepare nito at pinirmahan mo 1.5 months ahead of the counter affidavit?
Opo, Sen, may kaso na po final po sa akin, I invoke my right against self-incrimination po.
But Attorney Ko, don't you agree na abogado lang nakaka-prepare nitong ganitong, not an ordinary person can prepare such a document?
I agree, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you, Senator Sherwin. Attorney ko, pwede bang tanungin lang nandito ba si Yusek T ng DOJ or sinong resource person from DOJ?
Good morning, Madam
Yes,
Sen.
good morning.
Prosecutor Gatdula po representing DOJ.
Yes, Prosecutor Gatdula. Under the new rules, notary is allowed if prosecutor is unavailable.
Yes,
Pwede
Your Honor.
po ba kayong mag-expound sa rule na to?
Yes, Your Honor. Under the new rules po ng Department of Justice, the only time that a person can have the counter affidavit notarized outside of DOJ, Your Honor, if there are no prosecutors available. But considering, Your Honor, please, that this case, there are plenty available prosecutors, Your Honor, in the Department of Justice. So basically, Your Honor, the notarization of the counter affidavit is really without any effect, Your Honor, please.
So talagang from the get-go, malabo po yung dinaanang proseso nitong counter affidavit na ito. And actually, we don't even have to belabor the defects of the notary. We already know it's fatally flawed. And base sa pagpaliwanag nyo dyan sa rule na iyon, fatally flawed talaga. And ang totoong issue ay yung complicity. At babalikan ko rin, ni Mayor Kalugay, no, at yung contribution niya sa panloloko sa bayan. Salamat, Prosecutor Gatdula. Yes, Senator Joel.
And with the indulgence of our distinguished colleagues here, I think it's also right to give chance to Attorney Galicia if he can also make a comment. And Attorney Galicia, you have heard the testimony of Guo Huaping, alias Alice. She made mention that she signed this document way before she left the country. Kayo ho yung nadidiin dito more than anyone. And in the affidavit that we got here, kayo ho yung nakapirma at nakalagay po doon, and I will pound it again, subscribe and sworn before me. Narinig niyo po yung sinabi ni alias Alice, narinig niyo po yung sinabi ni Kath, ni Miss G, at ni Cheryl,